Elon Musk has been warning us for years, but now, his latest statement about AI is more terrifying than ever. Are we creating a monster we can't control? Musk has always believed AI could be the greatest risk to humanity. Back in 2014, he called artificial intelligence humanity's biggest existential threat. He compared AI to summoning the demon, a force so powerful, we may not be able to stop it. And now, AI is evolving faster than ever. We have AI that can code, create art, and even think independently. But here's where it gets scary. In 2024, Musk made a chilling statement. By 2029, AI will be smarter than the smartest human on Earth. Imagine that, an intelligence we cannot control. He believes that AI, if left unchecked, could surpass human intelligence and make its own decisions that might not favor us. We must regulate AI before it's too late. If we don't, the consequences could be catastrophic. So what happens next? Will AI become our greatest tool for progress or our biggest mistake? Some believe AI will cure diseases, solve global problems, and make life easier. Others fear it could replace human jobs, create deepfakes, and even start wars. The question is, are we prepared for what comes next? Do you think Elon Musk is right? Should we be worried about AI? Comment below and don't forget to subscribe for more mind-blowing content.